Welcome to the Carnival Horizon. It's our last sea night, and it's a formal night, so we all decided as a group to dress up in our kilts. This was our ABC group cruise. There were 45 of us in this group, and most of us came tonight in our kilts. Have you ever dressed up in kilts for a formal night on a cruise or for any other occasion? If you have, let me know in the chat. We all decided to meet here in the Atrium to get one big group photo up on the staircase, which we did. A Carnival photographer was there and took our picture, and we were able to go to Pixels and purchase a copy of it if we wanted to. We had a great time there. Most of us had to buy kilts just for this because we didn't actually have any. Some of the people, though, have had kilts for cruises before. If you were on a group cruise with us, would you wear a kilt? Just remember, you don't have to wear a kilt. You can wear whatever you like. It's just a regular formal night. After some more fun photos, we head to the staircase, being herded like guinea pigs. And after this, we'll take you to the main dining room and show you what we had to eat here on the Carnival Horizon in the main dining room.
Okay guys, I got corn chowder, gluten-free corn chowder. It's really good. It's very chunky. It has onions and peppers, and they took the corn off the cob, and there are bits of cob in it, so that's a little, I don't know.
All gluten-free.
But it is good.
Okay, Sea Lake Journey crew, I got the shrimp cocktail. Now these aren't big old jumbo shrimp, but they do feel like they're nice and chilled.
Very
Emerald's appetizer. It's like a beef.
Very good. Nice and cold. It tastes like they're fresh. I could use a little more horseradish in that sauce, but you know what? I would order it again.
I'll try some others.
Okay, Robin from Sea Lake Journeys is obviously very hungry tonight because what have you got here in front of you?
So I got the lobster, which always get the lobster, and I got the prime rib.
No.
Wow, that's a monster prime rib.
Yeah, but look, that's all fat. All that's fat.
I was giving my brother's yours, and I said,
Even you cut that off, it's still a giant piece of meat.
Yeah, there's a lot of fat. This is all
You got
fat.
baked potato, you got green beans, you got broccoli, mashed taters. Are you gonna be able to eat all that?
I am.
Yeah, but I'm like, no, I can see covering
here.
So you got your butter sauce there.
Yep.
So, you know, that's like
Usually they cut that off for you.
Well, it's hard for her to reach across the table.
Yeah.
Like,
Here it comes, taste test number one.
plus fry, you know.
Very good.
Could you order that again? Oh, yes, thank you. Look what I got.
Yep.
Yeah.
Because I don't want
It's more rare. It's more medium rare than medium.
My one daughter said I
Good though.
Good, yeah. Excellent.
Like prime rib.
But I
Okay.
said, what if they make Jake with the military?
All right, Sea Lake Journey crew, let's see if I can do this without making a mess.
Together. at the
Wow.
cemetery.
I'm impressed that I did that.
Arlington, Texas, to not Arlington, Virginia.
There we go.
Like our parents were best friends with these other families. Now, what did you do? Is we do this big crab chicken cordon bleu, and so we learned.
Gotta have the melted butter sauce.
Like 10 years old.
Sour cream and bacon right there.
That is wonderful. I would definitely order this again.
I'm trying to meet.
Try our mashed potatoes too.
I'm not gonna try it.
Very buttery mashed potatoes, just the way I like it.
Love Worcestershire sauce.
Okay, now this prime rib here is in fact, I would call it rare. Not medium rare. I would say that's rare.
So we had to learn how to like shuck a whole crab like 7 years old.
That is
Got a good taste to it. We had a great time in the atrium and at dinner, all dressed up in our kilts for our final formal night there on the Carnival Horizon. And we hope you had a great time watching us and being with us here tonight. Thanks for being here, and please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. We are Sea Lake Journeys. Please check out our other videos on the Carnival Horizon and across all the other different cruise lines and ships we've been on. Thanks.